Okay, this is it. It's done. It's finished. Um, Working great. Want to get something in there and clamp it in tight to play with your planes, you know, to plane something, no problem. Need to open it up some more. There's a lever underneath there that I showed earlier. Open it, push it in, pull the lever back, and then you can tighten the clamp on it, and that's it. It opens about 13 inches total. The clamp, big things in it. Just pull the lever back again and in there. It's not going anywhere. So that's it. It works well. I know I'm going to get a lot of good use out of it, and plans will be available for this vise shortly. Thanks for watching.